While hauling cargo through Nevada, veteran trucker Marcus Bennett began hearing strange rattling from beneath his rig. At first, he dismissed it as road debris, but the noise kept getting louder. During a rest stop, Marcus crawled under the truck and traced the sound to his secondary fuel tank. Oddly, it was only half full, and fresh scratch marks around the access panel raised his suspicions. He grabbed his tools and cut the tank open. Inside, he found waterproof packages floating in diesel. Shocked, he called 911. Authorities later confirmed the packages contained over $500,000 worth of MDMA, hidden by smugglers using his truck without his knowledge.